Hello. Welcome to Weekly Teachings, a series in which I teach you, the viewer, a new skill each week. But not only do I teach you this new skill, I am positive that you will be a master in no time by using what I share with you. In today's episode, I will be teaching you Tetris, a long and thought to be hard puzzle game. A brief history of Tetris. Tetris was founded long ago by a deity named Khufu, his brother Khafre, and their mighty servant Menkaru. Around 4,000 years ago, Khufu, a young and mighty pharaoh, was outside playing a game with his brother Khafre. The game they were playing was called American football. They both got bored really fast, as the concept of throwing pigskin was bizarre and undermining the use of their minds. So they set out to create a new game that required the use of your brain. With no luck, after a few years of testing and gathering information on new game, they could not come up with what they desired. From chutes and ladders to testicular torsion, nothing tickled their fancy. One day, Khafre was walking alongside Khufu, sad and bothered. So he kicked a rock under his feet, and it happened to land on another rock. Both were shocked and had an amazing idea. Tetris! Both screamed. They began to explain rules and functions to each other on how it would work and how their idea would revolutionize Egypt as a whole. Khafre saying, end quote, "We make such a good team." Khufu twisted, and the corrupt soul would say for quote, "We, who's we?" And then he proceeded to bash Khafre's head in with said rock. Years later, he's building said game on a large scale, but the funds are exceeding his father's credit card limit. So he becomes a pimp and throws his daughter in a brothel that makes fat stacks. Once credited with the amount required to build Tetris, he is required 100,000 men to build it for him. So he asked Menkaru to seek out contractors for his vision. But he reassured everyone that it was not slavery, as it was paid labor. Paid in what, you ask? Well, I don't know. Pottery maybe. But most likely they were paid in not losing fingers. After it was built, he was the king of the world. But jealousy runs in the family. His father, Snefru, king of Egypt, did not like what was happening, so he led an attack on the Tetris building. Khufu held his ground, and after a long and hard battle, Khufu fell to his father. His mother, Herpes, died from sadness that her son died. Snefru, the king of Egypt, was taken back, regretting what he had done. So in honor of his son, he buried his body in the Tetris building, and they still stand to this day. So now I'm going to teach you how to play Tetris. So, as you see here, we have the Tetris board, and pieces come from down here, and they want to land down here, right? But let's talk a little bit more about the board. Every little piece, every little box is actually labeled, if you did not know. But now you do know, because I have been playing for 37 and a half years. This box right here, this first one, is labeled A1, this one here, A2, this one here, A3, and so on and so forth until A10, right? And then, but there's more boxes, more columns. Don't worry. It's all, numbered the same. Just it goes from B to C all the way to up here, and that's T. Right here, this box right here, that's T1. T for Tetris, if you didn't know. Right. So, keybinds. Let's start a new game. You use your arrow keys. Left goes left, right goes right. Click the down key, it drops it down. You click the up arrow key, and you can maneuver it. But there's a button I like to press, the space button. But your whole objective, some people may think, that your objective is to stack them neatly, like so. But the whole point of the game is not that, no. Because that's garbage. That looks terrible. Let's break it down real quick. See how I went from here to here to here to here to here, and then I finally went up? No, it's all wrong. That's all wrong. I am a world record holder. I will show you how to beat a time like this. Are you ready? Here we go. There you go. 1 gigabyte and 10 hertz was my time. I think that is the fastest time in the whole world. That is a new world record set by me, here recorded. But that is how you play Tetris. Thank you once again.